Morning, everyone. Keith Frampton here. Tim got called into jury duty again today, so you got me back today. Glad you could be with us. Get rid of this stuff here. And yesterday we had, let me maximize this here a minute here. We had some nice moves yesterday, nice moved in the morning, and get back to yesterday. Come on. There we go. Nice move in the morning here yesterday that we had, and was able to take advantage of that. Then had a big sell-off in the afternoon also yesterday. So unfortunately, I was away from my computer for a good part of that, but I was able to get another 20 cents on that yesterday. So 2 trades yesterday, up $1.28. So that was good there. Pre-markets are up pretty strong this morning, even though the first-time jobless claims were up quite a bit today. And 1 second here, where'd my other chart go? There it is. Okay, so announcements today coming out. We will have one of the Fed members, Barr, is speaking at 10 o'clock. We have pending home sales at 10 o'clock and have a Kansas manufacturing activity at 11 o'clock. Have a bond auction at 11:30. Another Fed member speaking at 11:45. Another one at 1 o'clock. Another one at 1:15. And the president's supposed to speak at 2 o'clock again today. And another Fed member speaking at 3:15 today. So a lot of people talking today. We'll have to see where that's going to move us on the charts here. And let me see here. Make sure you have 20 cents between your bars here. I got to change this top left chart again. Get back here. $0.20. There we go, 20 cents. And as always on mine, I have these zones drawn in here just so I can drag them into place when it comes time. They have no meaning where they are right now. And let me see here. What else do we have? Oh, I'll be trading tomorrow's expiration, the 28th, Friday the 28th. And we'll sort of be either at the money or one in the money. So we'll keep an eye on that, see where it goes once the market opens today. Tick is starting to get down close to VWAP here. See where that bounces. Oh, well, we have a no gap move today because we're down close to somewhat close to yesterday's close. Well, up quite a bit today. So once the market opens, we'll get a feel for where that is. And get rid of that. But the Qs are up 3.5 right now, so up pretty strong today. And have about a minute and a half to go till the open today. So let's make it a good day. And Tim might be back in time while we're still on, but we'll see. Wasn't able to do it earlier in the week, but
hey Keith, please add Rita. She's waiting.
Okay. If you say so, I will do that. Yeah, sorry.
Thank you, sir.
I always forget to do that. All right. Just let a number of other people in. As I mentioned, sorry, I had a few of you waiting in the wings there. Tim has jury duty again this morning, trying to keep the judicial system moving here. So you had me here this morning, Keith, and Tim might be back in time while we're still on, but maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. And again, I was mentioning I had 2 trades yesterday for up $1.28. One of them was $1.08, so it was pretty strong. Got about 10 seconds to go till the open here. Lock back in place here. And there we go. All right, and we're off. Right down at VWAP there. Starting to move down here a little bit, but I tend to want to wait at least 3 to 5 minutes after the market opens to place my first trade, sort of see where the market's going to be going. And that's had some good moves yesterday in the market. So this one moved down strong here at the beginning, and now it's trying to move up. No doubt it's going to try both directions a few times. Again, the zones I have drawn in here are just waiting in the wings. They have no meaning where they are. I just like to be able to drag them into place instead of redrawing them each time. And we'll be looking at, let me get my option chain here. Probably be looking at the 516 on the call side and the 520 on the put side. If indeed we get into a trade here, but we'll see where we go. They're a little bit more expensive today. We had NVIDIA reported after the market closed yesterday with extremely strong earnings and strong forecasting too. But it did sort of bounce up and back overnight. I'm curious as to what it is now. It's up 2.76% right now. Oh no, just dropped. It's up 1.4%. So still pretty strong day on that. All right, where are we on the let me see. The Dow is up 97, Nasdaq's up 149, S&P's up 31, and we have 1.9 million underlying traded so far. Keep an eye on that. Trying to move up again now. In case you missed it yesterday afternoon, Tim did a nice summary on chapter 10 of the volume price analysis from Ann Cooling. And you can, I don't know if he has that out on YouTube yet, but that will be out on YouTube. You can review there. And a couple more people in here. All right. So it's sort of moved up and down, hasn't moved a whole lot yet. Oh my. This a little bit better here. Reasonable volume on the first 4 candles here. Do have the MACD had crossed over down here in the bottom right on the Heikin-Ashi chart. Going up, pretty much around mid-range there. The 5-minute chart, the MACD, the active line is above the control line. Control line's the yellow line there. Pretty much an average kind of thing. Finding some resistance up here around the 518.5. Waiting for a breakout to occur here. Haven't really seen one yet. Now it's trying to move down. Again, you can place trades either with the active trader or with the option chain. Tim tends to use the option chain. I use the active trader. Got a nice crowd in here this morning. Glad you could be with us. Again, if you missed earlier, Tim has jury duty again this morning, so you've got me as host for at least until he shows up, if he shows up, depending on how fast they let him go. Move up there. See if we get a crazy Ivan here, which means it immediately reverses. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? We're gonna go see what the 517. Let's look at the 517 on the call side again. I'm looking at tomorrow's expiration. It's a little pricey, so you can go to today's expiration if you'd like, up until about 11 o'clock. That's reversing on us. Again, this line really has no meaning there.
Keith, is it too early to put into the band zone?
Well, I'm just looking at a possible pseudo demand zone there. You know, probably do that, move this one up at the bottom of that first 5-minute candle. Just looking at that. Reversing on us here now. Again, have some announcements coming out at 10, so expect to see a pop at the top. Came down right to VWAP and trying to reverse, but not heading back down some more. Do have a crossover on the 1-minute MACD down here in the Heikenasi chart. Looked like we were going to have a nice breakout on the top side, but it has reversed. Dow's up 205 now. NASDAQ's up 136, and S&P's are flat. And we have 3 million underlying traded so far. So you look at the volume candles on the 1-minute chart, and they've been pretty good volume. All right, so let's go back over to the 520 on the put side. I'm going to go ahead and try to enter this. 520 on the put side. And we got filled at 460. Strong move down. Let's see if I can get some profit on this. And I did. Wow. In at 460, out at 546. 86 cents on that.
Wow.
Okay. Nice first trade. Well, that had a pretty strong move down there. Wow, strong move down. Look at that 5-minute candle, or the MACD angle heading down, the 1-minute heading down. Wow. Wow, if you're still in that, good for you. Been trying a slightly different tact on some things, and still trying to get my feet under the ground on that, but I'm definitely holding things longer when the charts are telling me to, and at least for the first trade of the day, I'll take 86 cents any day on that. Wow, it's been like $1.80 if I would have stayed in that. Well, hopefully you took advantage of that. It's getting down close to the yellow line is yesterday's close. Getting down to yesterday's close there on that. Wow. I definitely got out of that one too soon. Got to learn to trust the charts a little bit more here. Finding some resistance. It did cross the yesterday's close a little bit with the wick there, but then bounced back. And gotten $2 on that if I'd have stayed in that. Okay, well, what do we have here in the general markets? Dow's up 201, Nasdaq's down 18 now, S&P's up 8, 4.4 million underlying traded. We've crossed down below yesterday's close. Actually, here, can we do a, I'm going to change this supplies or demand zone and put a supply zone in there at the top of that first and second candle. Again, come on. Again, the demand zone is just waiting in the wings there. There's no place to put that just yet. Get that down here. Might be setting up to do one there, but we're just in the first minute of the 5-minute candle, so we'll wait on that. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Bounced off yesterday's close. Look at that. Right, bounced right off of that. Heading back up. A lot of times when you get a quick move like that, it can bounce right back up. So be a little cautious on that. Turning back down again. Let's see here what I want to get into. So I'll be watching the 515 on the put side. Crazy Ivan going on here. I'm going to go ahead and try to get back in on this. Again, the 515 on the put side, and it passed me by. Oops, no, it didn't. It did. Filled for 411. Again, I got in the 515 on the put side, still in it. And there's just some resistance there. Come on down. Come on down. The 5 and the Heiken-Aussie chart or MACDs are both in the put mode. Put a order in here to close out, see if I can get a little bit more on this. And I did. 411 to 471, 60 cents. I wanted to be out before the top at the top, which we're about 6.5 minutes away from, but still. 2 trades up $1.46 so far today. Okay, hopefully you're able to take advantage of that. This had room to run, but didn't want to be too greedy on this just yet. Actually, try not to be too greedy anytime, but just following the charts and wow. Again, got out too early again, but that's all right. Wow. Look at that thing go. Again, this demand zone has nothing. We're getting down close to this blue line is yesterday's low. The size of these candles. Pretty amazing. Oh, again, if I'd have stayed in that one, that would have been a $1.40 gain. But I'm not going to argue with it. Still learning this new technique a little bit here. But hopefully you're able to take advantage of that. That's crazy. I should have stayed in. Wow. Had some super strong moves today. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Wow. Trump says Mexico-Canada tariffs will start March 4th, plus additional 10% on China. And that's probably what sent this thing tanking here. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, should have taken advantage of that. Wow. It's been a fantastic week so far. Yes. Oh, do I want to get back in on this? 513 I would get in if I got back in on it. And then 512. Yeah. No, I don't want to get back in until after the pop here. So another 3 minutes. I will wait to get back in. But golly, look at those those volume candles. Practically everyone, except for a couple, have been up over 100,000, and even those that missed weren't missing by much. Ooh-wee. Yeah, let me know on the chat box if you got into these trades. Be curious to see how you're doing on that. About 2 minutes to go to the pop. I'm tempted to put less than 20 cents between the lines here, but because you have to keep moving the charts all over the place, but then we don't have a day-to-day feel for how things are looking there. Minute and a half to go to the pop. Hmm, 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 hmm. While the MACD on the Heiken Aussie is down minus 2.8. I think that's the lowest I've ever seen it. 5 minute is down 2.9, which that's a lot, but it can be usually twice what the 1 minute is. All right, about 40 seconds to go to the pop. Yeah, staying in these trades, I could have been down like $4 today. Amazing. That first one I got out early was 520. I'm curious as to what that is. That would have been a $6 gain if I'd have stayed in on that. Wow. All right, we're into the pop here. Continuing down further, so I'm gonna look at the 511, I think. Now the 510. Let's go to the 510. Try to get back in on this. And in for 503. Some point in time, this is going to turn around. I don't really want to be stuck. Crazy Ivan there. Come on. Come on back down. What are the markets? Dow's up 89, Nasdaq's down 197, S&P's down 23, 11.9 million underlying traded. Come on, back down. There we go. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Ah, not that direction. Down, 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 down. There we go. Come on. Come on. Down you go. Believe it or not, I guess we could probably put a, it's up here a little bit. put actually a demand zone in here. Well, what I say that I was afraid it was going to jump back up, should have gotten 50 cents, or actually 60 cents on that last one, but it happened so quickly. Um, Dow's up 180, NASDAQ's down 154, S&P's down 13, 14.1 million underlying traded. Come on down. Still got some good volume going on here. Ah, come on, get down here.
Hey Keith, with the markets down like this is not a good time to get into a call trade, right?
I wouldn't, no.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'd like for this, if I wasn't in a put, waiting for this MACD on the Heikin-Aussie down here in the bottom right to reset and then head back down, then I would get into a call. Again, as red as things are, I was gonna let this run a bit longer. Getting up close to VWAP again. Again, the blue line up there at the 1 minute chart is yesterday's low. Getting some long wicks on the top side here, so maybe running out of steam here on the rise. Bounced off VWAP there. Still getting some long candles on the top side. Wicks on the top side. Come on. Let's head back down again. Come on. Now get back down. Get back down. Come on down. Come on down. Got a doji there in that last candle. Come on. Dow's up 306, Nasdaq's 102, S&P's up 3, 5.4 million underlying traded so far. Another thin candle there. All right, come on. There we go. Come on down. Ah, come on. Get down. Get down there. Hmm. Well, I may be tempted to do a call here. Let's do 511 on the call. What's that looking like? Six. Second. All right, I'm going to look at the 511 here on the, yeah, let's go to 510 on the call. Is that right? No, 512, sorry, 512 on the call. I'm going to go ahead and enter this. Try to get in on this. Okay. At 475.
Keith, you in a put trade?
I'm still in the put trade.
Okay.
I'm considering getting out of this call. And that's starting to try to go up. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this call. Out. Come on down. Come on down. Almost a doji on that last candle. Come on down. There we go. Come on down. Come on, get down through VWAP. There we go. Come on down. Get down and stay down. There we go. If I wasn't already in a put, I'd consider entering a put here. If what? Only if it gets down and stays down. Come on, down you go. Down you go. There we go. Yeah, come on, get back down there. Back down. All right, get down below yesterday's low. We did have a crossover on the 1 minute MACD going down. Strong. Come on, get down there. You can do it. There we go. Keep it going down. Dow's up 325. NASDAQ's down 132. S&P's down 2. 7.1 million underlying traded. Come on, get back down there. Stay down there. Come on. Come on, get back down there. Ah, come on, get back down there. There we go. Come on, get back down there. There we go. Come on. There we go. A couple crazy Ivans there. Come on, down, down, down. Come on, down, down, down. A little consolidation area here. Hmm. Nah, come on, down, 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 down. Hmm. Come on, no, 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 no. Down. Hmm. Well, golly. Well, let's see here. What's that looking like here? Um, Look at the 511 on the call side. Not real thrilled about doing a call, but you could scalp a little bit here. Mm, mm, mm. I think I'm going to pass on the call just at the moment. Definitely getting lower volume in here now, except for those couple of jumps up there on these green candles. There we go. Come on back down. Nah, come on down. Consolidation zone again here. Come on. Let's get back down there. Continue this sell off. No, come on. Down, 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 down. Definitely a consolidation zone. Strong wicks on both sides. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on down. We've got 18 million underlying traded so far. Good volume today, but it's clearly slowed down on volume. Come on, get down. Stuck around VWAP here. Yeah, nice jump down there. Come on. No, you jumped down. Why'd you go back up? A lot of candle move was not a lot of volume. Got a consolidation period here for about 20 minutes here. Come on down. You can get a crossover on the 1-minute MACD coming down. There we go. Come on. Come on down. Nah, just don't want to go and stay down below VWAP there. There we go. Come on. Come on. Keep coming down. Come on. Keep coming down. There we go. Notice where it had some problems before getting down below. We're sort of in that same area. That would have been about 10:30 or so. It gets below that, I think it will get down to the demand zone, which is down there. Come on. Come on, down you go. I'm surprised with this drop that it hasn't crossed over on the MACD on the 5-minute chart yet. There we go. Come on down. There we go. Let's move down here a little bit more. Demand zone's calling for you. All right, I have top of the hour here, everyone. So I'm gonna sign off here. I'm gonna continue to watch this. I think we'll be able to get out of this. So I'm keeping an eye on that. Had 4 trades today, still in the third of the fourth. Had 2 nice gains. Had one loss and trying to get out of this for at least break even. So anyway, thank you for being with us here today. And again, I'll try to leave the charts up for a while here, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.